An RV is a vehicle equipped with living spaces such as a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living room designed to meet various needs for outdoor living. However, RVs are expensive and their large size makes them difficult to park, while many places are inaccessible to them. As a result, I chose to convert a daily use vehicle into a micro camper using a no-trace installation method. To realize this idea, I have spent 4 to 5 years researching on 3 or 4 vehicles. Starting from a simple framework, I selected suitable products, some of which I conceived and completed through DIY, while others, which couldn't be found online or diet, I designed and mass-produced. In the end, I integrated a simple and practical conversion solution that is suitable for most minivans or SUVs. Next, I will share how to carry out a no-trace conversion under limited space conditions to equip the vehicle with RV-like functionality. We will systematize the initial modifications by implementing the following tasks, making it easier for future planning. First, by removing and converting the seats inside the vehicle, we can make the interior space more even. Most vehicles of this type have removable seats, which can be easily taken out or reinstalled, allowing for flexible adjustments as needed. However, after the seats are flattened, the surface may still have slight unevenness. We can use panels to improve this. Typically, wooden panels are chosen as leveling material because they offer sufficient strength and remain relatively cool in the summer. However, it's important not to choose too thick a wood panel as it may reduce the available height for movement inside the vehicle. For some SUV models with narrower interior space, thinner materials can be selected to level out the depressions left by the flattened seats. To meet the space requirements of different vehicle models, I have designed and implemented various wooden flooring solutions. If there's a need for passenger seating, the wooden floor can be rolled or folded, allowing the rear seats to be restored for use. For specific details, please refer to the 3 videos in the upper left corner. A comfortable camper van must provide stable power to use modern electrical appliances, making life more convenient and comfortable. I have installed solar panels on several different vehicle models, and the related installation videos can be found in the upper right corner. These videos cover most common scenarios. Additionally, I set up a custom-built 2.5 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery as an energy storage device. This compact battery fits perfectly into the storage compartment and is powered by direct current. I typically place it behind the driver's armrest compartment, making it easy to connect various devices while parked or on the road. The advantage of DC power is that it avoids the conversion from DC to AC, allowing DC appliances to be directly powered, reducing energy loss and simplifying the system. I have selected suitable DC appliances such as a 24-volt fridge LED lighting and USB charging devices, all of which can be directly powered by the battery. This eliminates the bulk and weight of an inverter and removes the need to consider the inverter's power requirements. As a result, I can achieve maximum power within the smallest volume, ensuring stable power supply even during multi-day stays outdoors. Unlike RVs that require plumbing to establish a water supply system, I opted for an offline water supply method. I divided the water into 2 categories: washing water and drinking water, storing them in separate bottles placed inside storage boxes for easy access, avoiding the need for complicated plumbing setups. Depending on the situation, I use tools like a pump or spray bottle to manage the water. I also designed a hidden sink using a simple water container and a drainage-equipped wash basin, typically serving as a countertop. This design makes water usage inside the vehicle more flexible and convenient. For easy storage, I designed a 1 cubic foot box to hold most of the camping supplies, and their surfaces are made from fire-resistant MDF, making them not only durable but also functional as tabletops. The boxes are equipped with magnets on all sides, allowing them to snap together like building blocks, keeping the tabletop level. This design is perfect for assembling furniture inside the vehicle, items in the storage box. The items are categorized based on their different attributes so that similar items are stored together in the same place. This makes it easier to find things and prevents any confusion or disorganization. I use two boxes to categorize food into refrigerated and room temperature items. The refrigerated box contains an ice pack, which holds the perishable food and ice. I use ice cubes made by the fridge to maintain a low temperature and keep the food fresh. By adding more insulation bags, the refrigerated space can be conveniently expanded. Kitchen equipment, the electric cooking appliances, including a rice cooker, kettle, and electric stove, are stored together in one box. Additionally, I have a thermal pot, all which is stored separately in its own box. Another box is used to store utensils and seasonings, while a separate one holds the cookware. I use compression bags to store other clothing, placing them in one box. In another box, I keep blankets, so if the weather gets cold, I can stay warm inside the vehicle. I also prepare some cold weather clothing and coats, which are usually hung on a removable rod in the trunk to adapt to changes in the weather. Another box contains handheld sprayer, which are used as a faucet for washing hands and as a shower head for bathing. Items outside the storage box, other items that cannot be stored in boxes, are given fixed positions inside the vehicle to ensure everything stays organized. These include the following equipment. This is a 24-volt refrigerator, compact in size, mainly used for making ice and keeping food refrigerated at a low temperature. I keep a foldable toilet in the vehicle, usually stored beneath or beside the driver's seat. In emergencies, this portable toilet helps prevent any anxiety. After use, simply tie the plastic bag tightly to ensure no odor escapes. Another item is a foldable, semi-open shower bucket, which is usually hung on the horizontal rod in the trunk. Since the shower bucket is very compact, you can set it up inside the vehicle and take a shower comfortably without worrying about outside interference. The key is that I use a misting spray method for the shower, allowing me to clean my body with the minimal amount of water. I carry a sleeping bag with high thermal efficiency, which is usually hung on the removable rod in the trunk, along with a pillow to ensure a comfortable and restful sleep during car camping. The pillow can also be used as a backrest. Additionally, I have a foldable mattress, which can be laid flat to serve as a sleeping mattress or folded into a comfortable sofa when not in use. Other valuable items related to work and communication are typically kept in my personal backpack, which I carry with me at all times. In addition to the rice cooker, kettle, and electric stove stored in the boxes, I use the Starlink Mini to obtain a stable internet connection in remote areas. It is placed on the front windshield, the roof of the vehicle, or inside a tent to ensure a strong signal powered by my car camping battery. I also have a HomePod Mini installed in the vehicle, providing high-quality audio, visual enjoyment. The foldable outdoor chair is stored on the side of the vehicle. Its design is simple, allowing for quick setup and folding, making it perfect for outdoor activities. When needed, you can easily unfold the chair, and within seconds, it's ready for use, sturdy and durable. I carry a flat, round tailgate tent stored on the side of the vehicle, so it doesn't take up any interior space. When I reach a suitable campsite or find enough space, I can pull it out to extend the interior activity area, making the vehicle feel like it has more space. The tent offers 3 open sides for a clear view, mosquito netting, and privacy shielding, providing full coverage for additional car camping activities. After completing the 4 steps mentioned above, the initial conversion is complete. Now I'd like to discuss the concepts and suggestions for camper van conversions and share the principles of planning with everyone. To create different functional areas inside the vehicle, I arrange the placement of each box based on situational needs. For example, considering that I will be cooking inside the vehicle, I place the boxes storing ingredients and cooking appliances in easily accessible spots. When it's time to cook, I set up the storage boxes as a temporary countertop paired with the rice cooker or other cooking appliances, forming a small kitchen area. This arrangement makes cooking more convenient, with all necessary items within reach, reducing the hassle of back and forth movements. The arrangement within the storage boxes is equally important. Neatly organizing items inside the boxes effectively saves space, allowing the boxes to hold more, especially by utilizing every corner. This method of storage also helps protect the items securely, reducing the chances of collisions or movement and minimizing the risk of damage. A systematic storage approach not only enhances space efficiency but also prevents clutter, making it easier to quickly access and organize items, especially during trips. The same item can serve multiple purposes inside the vehicle, maximizing the use of space and resources. For example, the mattress can be folded into a seat or sofa during the day and unfolded into a bed at night to meet different needs at various times. Similarly, this pillow can be unfolded into a thin blanket, and the kettle can also function as a thermos. This multifunctional design allows items to switch roles as needed, fulfilling a variety of lifestyle requirements. The multifunctional transformation of the vehicle interior allows limited space to adapt to various needs. For example, in my Sienna, the third-row seats can be retained and folded. During the day, simply lift the wooden floor, fold the seats, and position them upright to transform the rear space into a living room, creating a suitable area for dining and resting. At night, stacking the boxes and unfolding the foldable mattress turns the space into a bedroom, providing a comfortable sleeping area. Once the window curtains are hung, they provide privacy. The foldable toilet can serve as a temporary restroom, and the foldable shower bucket transforms into a convenient bathroom. Through different uses of the same space, an ordinary vehicle can switch between multiple scenarios, making the interior flexible to accommodate daily activities, dining, rest, and other needs. The storage boxes are not only tools for organization, but can also be flexibly combined into different pieces of furniture to meet various living needs. I can arrange them to serve as seating, adding cushions for extra comfort, or combine several boxes to create a temporary dining table. By stacking them to the right height and adding a mattress or cushions, they can transform into a comfortable sofa. Through the flexible arrangement of storage boxes, I can convert them into various furniture pieces, achieving multiple functions while enhancing the efficiency and versatility of the vehicle's interior space. My vehicle interior is decorated in a minimalist style, using soft colors and textures to create a relaxing atmosphere, such as warm, toned fabrics or wooden materials, making the space feel cozier. Light, thin blackout curtains are hung by the windows to provide privacy without taking up much space. The lighting features LED strip lights and desk lamps, offering flexible options to suit different needs. This setup makes the interior feel more home-like, achieving both storage functionality and a warm, personalized touch. In this modification approach, although all items are stored in boxes, they are not directly fixed to the vehicle like custom woodwork interiors. Therefore, it is important to secure the boxes properly during travel to ensure safety. Anti-slip mats can be used to prevent the boxes from sliding, and straps can be added to firmly secure them to the vehicle structure, avoiding potential damage or safety risks caused by items falling. This method of securing the boxes is especially important for long trips, as it not only keeps the interior items stable and reduces noise from movement, but also enhances the driver's peace of mind. In summary, by cleverly utilizing storage boxes, various living functions can be efficiently combined within the limited space of the vehicle. This design transforms a regular vehicle into a discreet yet fully functional stealth camper, combining practicality and flexibility to serve as a reliable mobile base for exploration. In camper conversions, excessive decoration can take up space and compromise functionality. However, through minimalist yet purposeful design, both aesthetics and storage needs can be achieved. This modification meets most travel needs. While not as convenient as a large RV, it strikes a good balance within the limitations of space, offering a flexible and affordable outdoor living experience. The converted vehicle is suitable for daily use and can easily accommodate camping needs, aligning with the lifestyles of most people, while also adding enjoyment to everyday life. This lifestyle frees you from the pressure of reservations and rigid schedules, allowing you to freely arrange departures and rest, regaining a sense of control over your life. Most importantly, with home on the road, you can enjoy the comfort of home while exploring wherever you go, experiencing a simple, pure life focused on inner needs and reducing reliance on material possessions. I hope this video helps you take the next step. Thank you for watching.